Do you want to know how to start investing your money? The first thing I had to learn before I started investing was called the opportunity cost of money. What that simply means is that if your money is sitting on in a shoebox at home, you make a lot of money, a lot of cash, and it's just sitting on in a shoebox, you're losing 3% of your money every year. So if you have $100, next year, if you have $100 in that same shoebox, next year you only have $97 because it's lost value. Every year our money loses value. So if it's sitting in a bank might give you maybe 1% on your money, which does not keep up with the cost of living. Cost of living or inflation goes up 3 to 6% per year. So if the bank gives you 1%, you're still losing 2% on your money. So when I say $100 and you're losing 3 in a shoebox, and I say $100 and you're losing 2 in the bank. So what about if we used $1 million? If you have $1 million sitting out in a shoebox or under your mattress at home, in the walls in your house, and you're losing 3% per year to 6%, you're losing $30,000 to $60,000 per year because your money is not working for you. If it's in a bank and they still only give you 1%, you might still lose $20,000 to $50,000, and they might give you maybe $10,000 off of your $1 million. So let me ask you this. If you had $1 million cash and you learned how to invest it, can you make more than $10,000 per year with that? I think you can. So what about if you put it in real estate? Or what if you put it in stocks? If you're in stocks makes maybe about 6% per year. So maybe you break even on your $1 million, or you can really hit it big and retire from it. But what if you put it in something like the e-commerce, where people are starting to get 30% return on investment per month? So if you're using $1 million and you're making 30% per month, that's $300,000 per month that you're making, not per year, versus it sitting down in the bank or sitting down at home where you're losing money. Now you leveraged it, you learn how to invest it, and you're putting it in the right places, which could be maybe even trucking. Trucking, you can buy one truck and make over $100,000 per month with that one truck on a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week contract. You just made $100,000 off of one truck, but if you sat it at home, you would lose $20,000 to $60,000 per year. So just learn how to invest, learning what the difference of opportunity cost of money and the different types of investments that you can do. That's where you're going to learn how to invest your money. So you really need to drill down and think about where you're putting your money at now. Can you do anything else with it to make more money than what you're doing with it now?